Alright, so this is my 87 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to do a cold startup. It's about 45 degrees outside, and it's kind of really shitty weather. It's been raining a lot lately, so it's not the cleanest on the outside, but as you can see, the engine looks real good. Pretty much everything is brand new except for the cam and the pistons and crank, but I mean, it's got true dual flowmaster exhaust. And anyways, here's the cold startup. As you can see, the engine doesn't shake at all. Runs very smooth, even when you rev it. It's got chrome tip exhaust. Can't really tell right now because it's been raining, like I said, and they're a little dirty, but like I said, this is a cold startup. It's not smoking, that's just from the cold air. Anyways, if you're interested, let me know.